Humans capable of echolocation? Imagine it. You know, that odd ability both whales and bats have to locate objects and navigate total blindness with remarkable sensory precision? Well, guess what? As surreal as it sounds, your body can do it too. To see how it's possible, let's go back to when it became theorized in 1749. Very little scientific understanding of the era, it was somewhat thought that a human's version of echolocation existed. It was called an obstacle sense, or a facial vision ability at the time. Early scholars basically rationalized sensory pressure changes in the human skin in relation to object proximity to be causing this awareness of objects in total blindness. By the 1940s, zoologist Donald Griffin finally and formally titled the phenomena echolocation, further garnering this field of interest and further study. Later experiments of the 40s at Cornell's psychological lab actually found sound and hearing abilities that reside inside the human brain. Significant interest continued well into the 50s about this potential human sonar, sight with sound process. To learn how to echolocate yourself, just practice. And as far-fetched as this all sounds, people are already proving worldwide that this echolocation is possible for humans that can even hear and see properly. Some just learn faster than others, and here's why. For a blind person, visual stimulation hasn't been the brain's way of interpreting environmental stimulation, as it has been for people who can see. Therefore, the blind learn how to interpret natural echoes via passively to sense objects around them. But an active form of echolocation does also exist, and it uses mouth clicking to help generate echoes that bounce back from objects. Humans that can see have just never conditioned the skill to generate sensory cues from the sounds because it's been suppressed from a process called the precedence effect. And that's the key takeaway here. We can all do this. Who knew? Scientists have taught blind people to mountain bike, and now concluded sighted individuals can be taught these same skills of obstacle avoidance in the absence of vision. And what's more is a 2014 study displayed the primary visual cortex of all people to garner this generalized ability. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit us next time for another installment of Imagine It.